How to use one application in 5 different accounts. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use one application in 5 different accounts. So guys, for this you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for multi account. Now you can see here multiple account app. This one you can see here multiple account app, and then just install it. So I have already installed it, so I will show you how to use. Just go back to the multiple apps. Here is it. Click on multiple apps, and then the interface will be like this. So just click here, and then you have to watch a video here. Just click on watch a video. You have to wait for 25 seconds. And now just skip it. Now choose the apps with which apps you are gonna use in 5 different or 6 different or 7 different accounts. So let me choose WhatsApp. Just click on plus and then install anyway. So guys, you can see here WhatsApp, and again if you wanna use the same account, then just you have to click on watch video here. Just wait for a 30 seconds. Just wait, and then now you have to skip the page, and then just choose WhatsApp again here and click on installed anyway. So now you can see here one WhatsApp. Again, if you wanna use the same WhatsApp in 5 different or 6 or 7 or 10 account, then just click here, and then you have to watch a video, and then you have to install app here. So guys, this is how you can use one application in 5 to 10 different kind of account. Thanks for watching.